Uh, let me just talk about an incident that happened a few days back, and I'm sure all of you would have similar stories to tell. So, just a simple transfer of money, cross-border payment from my account to somebody else. It took 22 days for this money to arrive finally after it being returned back to my account. The bank was unable to, at some point of time, tell me how many days it would take for them to bring back the money to my account. Now, in today's time, when you have got IoT sensors that are available for less than $1, your washing machine and refrigerators can talk to each other. Banks still need two intermediaries in between to be able to send one payment from one country to another country. This is something that is perplexing and needs to be rectified. And financing for the MSME segment, the micro, small, and medium enterprise segment, is all about this. It's like, how soon can you get money converted from raw material to final cash so that it can once again be deployed? So capital efficiency, that is what we have to talk about. Blockchain, artificial intelligence, RPA, the robotic process automation, there are several technologies that are available to be able to do that. And there are problems, there are barriers, there are issues, but there are companies that are working to eliminate this. One of the biggest examples today in this era that I would talk about is the JP Morgan's project called Link. Now, it used to be earlier called IIN, International Information Network, which is actually a network of 400 plus banks in 78 countries. 25 of the biggest world banks are part of this network. So this project has been formed more to facilitate cross-border payments, how to make it more easy, how to make it faster. A cross-border payment is 3 days today, minimum. But with Link kind of innovation that can bring huge turnaround in the financing industry, banking industry, it would make it almost instantaneous, if not a few hours. So what we have in India, that you can do an NEFT and within 3 hours, the beneficiary gets the money, you may be able to get this very soon on an international scale, cross-border payments. So yes, of course, every company needs this, but if, in my opinion, MSME segment companies need this more than anybody else. So these are the ways in which I believe the new technologies will be able to help the micro and small and medium enterprises to get huge benefits and help with their finances. Not only from what the banks are able to do, but what they can do in terms of converting their raw materials into cash and plowing it back into the business, which will increase their capital efficiency.